Hi, I'm Jesse Gearhart with DVIGear, and this year at InfoComm 26, we're showing off our DisplayNet product. We're using this, we call this Formula IP. This is our racing rig where we demonstrate the high quality video of our AV over IP system, which is DisplayNet, and the low latency, almost zero latency. And if you are using this on a racing simulator and you feel any sort of latency, you would notice it. So DisplayNet's our product. It's AV over IP. It's a SDVUE based system, and you can see over here our units here in this rack. So it's all over 10 gigabit Ethernet. We have several layers. So there's HDMI, separately routed audio, USB, RS-232, infrared, and separate 1 gigabit port as well. These are all separately routable. Also, this year we are showing a couple other features within DisplayNet, which is the first one here you can actually see on here. We have our regular control we've always had, but this year we've introduced what we call DisplayNet Connect, which is a AI connector for our system, DisplayNet, where you can do natural control of our environment with just natural language. You can do diagnosing problems, troubleshooting, but you can also do control. And of course, everybody knows with AI, you could write your own control systems with code. Finally, we've got a full KVM setup here as well, where we've got 3 computers here, and we can show that with just with the same hardware, we can actually control one computer and move into any of these other ones, all within the same system. So we have like a keyboard mouse on one environment here, all controllable within here. Also with, say, keyboard macros, I can quickly make a change and put a video wall up as well. So yeah, SDVUE based, DisplayNet, video wall, multi-view, and matrix switching, all in one. And that's our product. So if you have any questions, just visit us at displaynet.com.